So hard.
Finally up. My house.
Hello.
Hello. Hold it.
Is that waterproof?
Yup.
So can I put this underwater?
Yeah, as long as you don't fall in.
Wait. If you drop it,
There you go. Wow, my arm. Stinking, man.
Look how much things are underwater. There's all bucket. What's in the middle?
Honestly, it's macaroni.
Wait, I just let down.
No! I need my 2 holes of space.
I'm gonna just chill here for the rest of the time.
You want to sleep?
Yeah. Listen, didn't go to Afghanistan.
Yeah, man.
Can't even go to the ocean.
It's like here on.
Yeah, it can't even go into the ocean.
Yeah, I can.
No, it doesn't.
I'm asleep with my hand though. Like the girls are so gonna bite it off. No, I bet you that you one of you guys just gonna lean over and fall over on one side. I bet you. Who's drowning it? Who's drowning? You're drowning.
Not you.
I'm not doing that. Someone's drowning us.
That wasn't me. Hey, look, I have a boost here. Guys, I just realized I have a boost here.
Try to go as down as you can. Try to go.
Push down with me.
Yeah, push down. Oh shit.
It's gonna flip over.
Hey, want me to make it worse?
Wait, guys, let's turn around and.
I can't paddle. Get in, man. You always make sure to get in. Oh, shit! Keep this out.
Guys, let's just get a 10 now. My head hurts from that. That's my joke. What? Stop! Okay, let's do some peaks, okay? There's no splashing, no splashing water though. No splashing water. You almost drowned me!
You almost drowned me! He kicked my head!
Yeah, bro. Are you crazy?
You guys did that to me!
Yeah, but you didn't hit anyone.
I didn't try to hit anyone.
Bro, when you flipped it, I fell off and my leg hit him.